ingredients here. So myself, 2 girls, and Robert Smith of The Cure are going to make a popular dish called haluski. It changes in origin a little bit. It's Polish, it's Jewish, it's Russian, it's Hungarian, lots of different origins, lots of different ingredients in those origins. The one that we're going to make is a little more Polish and Jewish, from Pittsburgh, and it consists of cabbage, kielbasa, smoked turkey Polish kielbasa, and egg noodles. And it's a dish that my late husband used to make for our 2 girls all the time, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, one of the first steps that we're going to do is take the kielbasa and we have to peel it. On the outside of the kielbasa is this brownish skin. Now you can't really see it on this because I've already peeled it. Some people like the skin. I don't really. I think it crisps up and it tastes nice for some people, but we never really have used the skin. So peel the kielbasa and cut it up into chunks, say about this big. I'm going to use these beautiful knives that somebody special got me for our anniversary. Cuisinart knives. You want to cut up your chunks about yay big, and then we're going to put them into a pan on the stove and move on to our next step.
The next step is chopping the cabbage into small shards like this. You can use a knife or a handy dandy chopper like Maddie. Come over here and we can see. Then we put the chopped cabbage in the pan with the kielbasa.
Next, we're going to add a generous amount of EVOO, thank you Rachel Ray, extra virgin olive oil, to the cabbage and kielbasa in the pan here. And we're going to add any seasonings that you like. I like Cajun seasoning, which is basically garlic powder, mustard seed, ancho chilies, cayenne pepper, probably a little bit of cumin, anything that gives it a little bit of a Cajun kick. That's the way that Ricky used to make it, and that's the way that the girls like it. You can add any seasoning that you want. Stir it up, turn it on high, let it cook down. We'll show you what it looks like after it cooks down. Next, wait for your water to boil in another pot and add some more extra virgin olive oil. And after the water is boiled, put in a generous amount of egg noodles. I'm not really going with a measurement here because it's all depending upon how many people you're feeding. Tonight we're feeding 4 people, so 3/4 of a bag of egg noodles is going to do it. Pasta is nice and brown. The cabbage is cooked up and it's looking yummy. You can hear the sizzle. It's almost done.
Yay!
Yay! Next thing we're going to do is take the prepared egg noodles and add them to the kielbasa and cabbage. And we're going to stir it up.
Looks really good.
Next, serve it up and top it with shredded Parmesan cheese. How is it, girls? Thanks for joining Maddie, Gracie, and I in the kitchen. We'll see you later.